So I'm actually recovering this account from losses. This client of mine had made a lot of losses. The account was actually having an initial deposit of 100,000 USDs. But right now the equities are actually 99,403. So he had lost about 200 and something dollars. So I've actually started trading in a couple of minutes back, right from this trend here where we have Euro USD sale of $2. That's where I started from. But in just if you can see, I started at 2022 8th month, 15 hours and 16 seconds, and right now you can see that it's just about 16 minutes, and it's about 17 minutes. So in about the period of 2 minutes, I've made about $668. So I'm slowly recovering the account back to its normal. You can see now remaining is only $600 to fill it up back to 100,000 USDs, and hopefully in a couple of more minutes, probably 30 minutes, I will be done recovering the account. So anyways, I'm recovering loss. This is the loss recovery service. If you want any, you can just contact me through my WhatsApp and also Facebook pages, and of course comment in the down section. I will be replying you and also telling you how we can get in touch. So let me first finish this live until I have to recover this account back to its normal. So I'm actually using Euro USD and I'm just sipping it. It's actually the quickest way, sipping Euro USD, only Euro USD, which is kind of a domain pair. And right now we've been in a downtrend for Euro USD almost from morning, and it's kind of changing, but it hasn't gotten a lot of effort or momentum to do that. So as per now, we're still making some profits out of it. Till then, we shall see the rest later. But as per now, let me first put back this client his money. Oh, that was just 10. No. Actually, I wanted more than that. So I'm gonna be waiting for another trend. I have to top up 600 USDs more in order to take back the account to where it was, which was about 100,000 USD, and hopefully by the end of today I'll be done with that. So the trade actually uses a special type of account, and in such scenarios where you're in a loss recovery, it's so hard to recover unless you have some hope. Okay. And let's see. You can target some pips here of should have entered. It's already going up, but anyways, no worries. Still have a lot of time to revise this through. You can just go back to the chart and see where we are. This is probably 5 minutes. See, okay, we have a super bouncing back in 5 minutes, so we can use that to close a couple of deals here, probably around a couple of dollars into the account. The bouncing back I used is actually a fractal, which happens to be a resistance strategy. I will be teaching you guys how resistance strategies work, but it's not that much, of a big deal, but you can just implement it in your system and, also use it. So, okay, I will have to play this again. Take off something at least. Something like 100 USD. That could be enough. Let me see how we close this one. So gonna be making it back to the point, so we shall be closing it in profit, that's for sure. Only that we have an entry point here in 1 hour, so we could use that only when it comes back. You have to use it when it comes back up here. That's when you can enter another sell, because it's a 1 hour. Because you just enter sell there, you'll make some profits. This is a 1 hour entry. It's not gonna. So hopefully by the end of the day, I'll be able to close all these and make sure to make a couple of enough dollars. Okay, go. If it goes up, then I'll be able to close one out. I'll be left with one, and that will be probably leave us in a very good position to negotiate. So this method here is a kind of a complicated method. It's a sipping method and it's a new method. Normally it's used by people who are dealing with I call them what? The binaries and of course options. But you can also try to employ it in account recovery. Most cases, if you're dealing with a lot of loss and you want to be recovering it in a very short period, this guy is going to be coming back hopefully in a couple of minutes. Let me see, do you have a resistance here? Yes, we have kind of a resistance at this point. Let me see if it will break through this. Then we can build on that and we see what is going to be happening later. One bar will be enough for us to close it. So anyways, not that far. By the time we close this, we shall be able to make a couple of more thousands to close this gap that is actually remaining, and we make sure that we finalize in recovering this account. So 798 so far, that's not bad, but